I get asked all the time, what is my thought of the Yanka speakers? So we got two sets here. These are identical speakers in two different specs. We have the Yanka MC-65B, which is only blue LEDs. And then here is the HMS-65, which is the multicolored LEDs. Comes with a remote controller for changing the colors to whatever you want. Turn it on, off. I remember what settings are what. But you can do all kinds of different effects with them. The MC-65B is only blue and only has one effect. They're 12 volt LEDs. These are 6.5 inch speakers. Their peak power is 750. Obviously that number is a little high because their RMS power is 75 and their max power is 150. So we won't worry about the peak power. Let's focus on that RMS rating of 75. That's a good rating. So these have a 50 hertz to 20,000 hertz range. They're 4 ohms with a sensitivity of 90. They're IP67, so they're perfect for boat, any marine application, outdoors, DIY boomboxes, a lot of really cool stuff. Their magnet size is, it's a Y35 grade magnet. It's a 35, a 3.5 by 1.56 by 0.59. The tweeter is a titanium diaphragm tweeter with stainless steel grill. So the stainless steel grill is painted white, but it is a nice touch. So you won't have to worry about that rusting or corroding. The body is made out of plastic, and well, some of it's plastic, and then some of it, the inner core is metal. So we have floating tinsel leads that go down to stitched tinsel leads. So it's kind of a combo. Instead of being straight over, it kind of goes up and then gets stitched. The LEDs are embedded under the cone to give you that effect. You can actually see them in the light, how they are. At night, you can't really see that because it shines the whole cone. They come in white and black. The HMS has a pigtail with quick connects for installing the LED controller, which is really nice. Now, if you're building a DIY boombox, remember you will need a 12 volt step down. So if you're running 24 or 36, you'll need to step it down to 12 volts, or else you will burn the LEDs up. So I'm going to go ahead, I'll play some sound clips in a separate video. That way we don't get copyright strike on this one. If you want these, I'll have the links down below where you can get them.